Welcome back to Active Chiropractic, guys, and today I'm going to show you some calf muscle stretches that can help you relieve a lot of pain in your foot, your knee, your hip, or even your lower back. Now, the calf muscle is commonly overlooked and it can cause a lot of problems. For example, changing the way you walk, so the gait, and the way you stand, and the way you run and lift things as well. Especially if you're an athlete, for example, an Olympic weightlifter or powerlifter, can change the way you bend your knees and your lower back and cause you even injury as well. So try out these stretches and relieve yourself from a lot of pain and live a healthy lifestyle and even improve your sports as well.
Try to have the heel of your foot as close as possible to the wall or pole. Now, with the knee straight and your legs straight, lean towards the pole. You should feel a stretch from the heel to the back of the knee on your calf muscle. In my opinion, this is one of the most effective calf stretches out there. This will stretch in different areas of the calf muscle. Hold this stretch for about 20 to 40 seconds and do it 4 to 5 times. The lunging calf stretch. Stand in a lunge position with your back heel on the floor whilst your other leg is bent in front of you. You can have a table or, like me, a pole in front of you to help you keep balance. You should feel a stretch behind your leg in the calf muscle. Now, to create a stretch, just bend your front leg whilst keeping your back leg nice and straight. This will create a stretch in the calf muscle in the leg behind you. Hold this position for about 20 to 40 seconds and do it 4 to 5 times. Foam rolling. Place the calf muscle that you want to foam roll on a foam roller. You can get a foam roller from any good sporting store, or I'll put a link in the description box where you can get one online. Now, with your hands behind your back, add a little bit of pressure on the foam roller and roll back and forth from your heel to the back of your knee. Try to keep your knee locked out and lean your weight onto the foam roller whilst you're doing this. If you find that there's not enough weight or pressure on the calf muscle you're trying to foam roll, put your other leg onto the leg that you're trying to foam roll. This will add a little bit more pressure onto the calf muscle. I highly recommend doing this technique before you're running or you're playing any types of sports, as it can improve your ankle mobility and improve your performance as well. I found that this really helps me with my squatting position in my Olympic weightlifting. Another good way to improve the muscle release of the calf muscle is to bend your foot back and forth whilst doing this technique. Massage your calf muscle for about 1 to 2 minutes and do it 3 to 5 times on both legs. Prone calf stretches. This is another great stretch for the calf muscle. Go on all fours on your hands and feet in a pike position where your hips are high. Go on the ball of the foot that you're trying to stretch and rest the other leg on top of that foot. The leg that you're trying to stretch should be nice and straight and your knee should be locked out. To create a stretch, just lean back, pushing the heel towards the floor. If your heel ends up touching the floor, just move your foot further away from you. You should feel the stretch in the back of your leg in the calf muscle. This stretch isn't for everyone, and it might require some core stability and shoulder strength. However, if you can get into the position, I highly recommend you do this stretch as it builds your core strength and your shoulder strength at the same time. Hold this position for about 20 to 40 seconds and do it 4 to 5 times.
Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Now, if you do have hip pain or knee pain, or you found that you're walking a bit funny, or you're running and there's knee pain or hip pain, check out my TFL release video or check out my hamstring release video. Those videos will definitely help you out. Remember, support my channel, hit subscribe, hit like, comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you guys in the next one.